Hi, it's Jason at TMD Motorhomes. We've got this beautiful Chausson Titanium Premium 650. It's got a drop-down bed inside. We've got an extra gas barbecue point. Also, it's on an automatic. Come and take a look inside. If you want any more information on this beautiful motorhome, please get in touch with us at TMD Motorhomes.